Welcome to the Ava Website Stories basic tutorial video. Using Ava is a super simple way to engage your website visitors with interactive experiences or stories to convert them into lifelong customers. In this video, we'll be showing you how to deploy an easy score a discount story to our website to give users a chance to win a product discount. We started off by selecting one of the story designs from the template gallery and are now in the Ava Builder ready to start editing it. This story works by allowing users to play an interactive game where they can select one of 3 cards to win a discount. In order to edit any story, it's important to know that all website stories are made up of multiple tiles connected together through the Ava Builder. You can easily navigate through each of the tiles in a story by clicking through the tabs at the bottom of the screen. Turning on Tile Peek allows you to see what tiles users are sent to when they click on parts of your design. This helps you quickly understand how a story is meant to be navigated. Here we can see that the user navigates to the second tile when they click the first card. We can also see that if they click the third card, they can navigate to the third tile. Now that we have an understanding of the current campaign, we can begin editing this story. To start, we'll want to add a tile that requires the user to input their email to receive their coupon code. We can do this by hitting the plus tab and selecting from one of the options. Let's try duplicating one of our results tiles so we can simply edit it and don't have to start from scratch. Now that we have our new tile, we'll want to make sure users can reach it on the previous tile by going back and editing the Go To Tile action on the successful card. To do this, we'll need to click on the card element and open up the Actions menu. Here you'll see a ton of options for what can be triggered when any Ava element is clicked, including the ability to prompt a download, close the campaign, or make a phone call with the click of a button. You can even assign multiple actions to one element. Let's edit the Go To Tile action so that users are now sent to the email request tile instead of the final coupon reveal tile. Now we can return to the email collection tile and change the layout by easily deleting, modifying, and adding new elements through the Ava Builder. Let's edit the text boxes with a message that asks the user for their email. We can draw an email input box in the empty space by clicking and dragging the box till it's the size we want. Drawing any elements in Ava is easy. Finally, we'll want to assign a new Go To action to our Submit box in this tile to make sure that the user receives their coupon after they submit their email. We also add the Submit Inputs action so that the value of the input is submitted upon clicking the button. Now that we've got the story working the way we like, we can focus on the visual aspects of it. To make sure the design matches the branding of our site, we can edit the color and borders of any elements in Ava. We can easily change a color of an element through the paint bucket by selecting one of the predefined colors or creating your own. We can also select on a hover color so that the button color changes when the user hovers over it. To make sure the campaign appears when we want and is targeted to the right customers, we'll need to configure these settings by clicking on the Triggers tab. Here we can start by choosing when our deal is displayed. Let's go with a 5-second delay on the page. Next, we can go to Targeting and select Unique Users, and specifically those who have come to the page more than 3 times and are in the United States. Finally, we can select the position of the tiles so that they appear on the bottom right of the page and the transition animation when it gets displayed. Let's go with the left slide-in animation effect. We're now ready to publish the story to our site. Let's save it and hit Publish to put the campaign up online. It looks awesome! And more importantly, users now have an engaging way to interact with our site and receive a store discount. We've only scratched the surface of what you can do with Ava's powerful builder, targeting, and action features. Visit our Academy page or check out our YouTube channel for more tutorials, tips, and tricks. You can also reach out to us at any time for help by using the application chat within the Ava Builder. We wish you happy creating!